Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have posterior staphyloma. Posterior staphyloma mainly occurs at the posterior pole and it is lined by choroid on the inner side. So there is herniation of choroid is seen in the posterior staphyloma. The main cause of the posterior staphyloma is degenerative high axial myopia. Degenerative high axial myopia is important cause of posterior staphyloma. So this is posterior staphyloma. It occurs due to high myopia or index myopia. So on ultrasonography, so this is the posterior staphyloma which is seen on ultrasonography.
thank you and thank you for watching.